Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Strauss and I'm giving a review to A+ Sustainable Coating. I did a lot of calling around and research on silicone roofs, and at the end of the day, the most valuable thing you have besides your family is your house. To me, it starts with the roof. And if you don't take care of your roof, then here comes all the crap in and it's just gonna destroy your home. I was looking at rubber roofs. I did have a 3-ply roof. I built the house myself and just ran across David at A+, and it was just phenomenal. From the first day we talked, they did what they say they were going to do, which in today's world is so rare. I rarely give reviews. I'm a very private person. These guys, they showed up when they said, and they did a phenomenal roof. Extremely pleased and happy. One of the young men came back and he had a ladder on there and he took his shoes off. And I'm like, dude, why are you taking your shoes off? He says, well, I don't want to track the new roof. And where do you get workers like this? I would like to find them personally myself, because I do own a retail business here in Albuquerque. I'm born and raised here, and one thing that led me to the silicone roof was I use silicone to coat the windows and other stuff, and that stuff just never dissipates. It doesn't go away. I haven't, I'm not an engineer, I'm not a scientist, but I could tell you at the end of the day, with the warranties and the checkups they've done and the callbacks, David was the right bid. You want somebody who's gonna do it today and be here for tomorrow. He was very honest with me. He gave me referrals on several people. Then he told me about an incident where they tried to help the gentleman and it just went really south, but he stood behind there. And when I called that gentleman, he said, yeah, we went south, but he got me north. And that meant a lot to me. That meant that they're just not in it for the money. Their reputation means a lot to them. And that's why I'm doing this review. My house is my largest investment I have, and the roof is what protects the house. So A+ Sustainable Coatings is the way to go. And if you're looking for somebody, I highly recommend calling them, and I give them 2 thumbs up and a 5-star. And that's all I have to say.